Hi there. Today we are going to talk about converting a PDF to a Word document. So you'll take your PDF that you have and you'll go ahead and save it to your desktop. Right here's your desktop, Civil War, Grade 7 Learning, whatever it is, PDF file, and you'll click Save. And then you'll actually get out of that and you want to open up a Word file. So you can go down to the tile here, Word, click on Blank Document, and you'll want to open a file. So you'll find it on your desktop, and if you have another window that opens up, there might be 3 different options. You want to choose My Computer, and then find Desktop from there. And we'll go right here, that's a PDF, and we're going to open it, and a default message is going to come up. Word will now convert your PDF to an editable Word document. That's exactly what you want. Be careful, don't click, don't show this message again. I think it's important to keep that message from popping up so we know we're on the right track. And click OK. So now it is a Word document. It is clickable, copyable, is that a word? And you will right click on it and click on Paste. Copy. And then what you want to do is pop it into your OneNote. I'll grab any page. Here it is. I just right-clicked, clicked Paste, and now you click Class Notebook. View, your immersive reader will open up, and it will start playing. It's kind of magical.